hand bags. However, please don't plug your devices into the outlets at this time. Don't forget to check your seatbelt pocket and the air around your seat to make sure you have all your belongings. Also, be careful when opening overhead bins. Once the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off, please stand clear of doors to allow flight attendants to complete important safety duties. Once you arrive at the gate, we'll be handing you over to the airport team. We'll be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. On behalf of the entire United team and our Airlines partners, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We hope you enjoyed this quick flight and we look forward to seeing you again soon on a future United flight. Enjoy the rest of your day.